No one expects to get into a car accident, especially during the winter in a city like Cleveland. But winter weather brings icy roads, poor visibility, and slippery conditions that can lead to accidents in an instant. So what should you do if you find yourself in an auto collision during the cold winter months in Cleveland? Here's the most important thing: make sure you and your passengers are safe first. Pull over if possible and get out of harm's way to avoid secondary collisions. Call 911 for medical assistance if anyone is injured. Your health and safety needs to be the priority. Once you are out of immediate danger, there are important steps to take. Given shock and disorientation after an accident, having a checklist can be extremely helpful. First, document the scene with photos of damage, skid marks, weather conditions, or anything else relevant to how the accident occurred using your smartphone. These could be critical later. Also, make sure to get contact, license, and insurance information from the other driver involved while at the scene. Next, capture witness statements if possible. They may leave the scene quickly, so try to record their account of what happened right away on your phone. Witness perspectives can be crucial for determining fault later. After documenting evidence, call the police to file an official report, even for minor accidents. This report creates an important record that may need to be provided to insurance or used to support an injury claim later. Finally, contact an experienced Cleveland auto accident attorney for guidance. Trying to handle winter weather claims alone against insurance companies can be complex, but an attorney well-versed in these cases can fully investigate fault and build your strongest legal case. They can also advise you on steps for vehicle damage, medical bills, lost wages, and handling communications with insurers or other parties. We work diligently to ensure that your potential case and lawsuit are handled effectively and compassionately, providing you with the support you need during this difficult time. Our goal is to help you achieve some measure of justice and peace during this challenging time. If you or someone you know needs help navigating an auto collision claim, please reach out to us. Our team is ready to listen and support you. We're Ryan Injury Attorneys, and we're here for you.